Hi, I am Krishnaveni, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Kamadhinu Arts and Science College, Satyamagalam. Today we are going to discuss about Linux file system. Linux file system. A single hard disk can be stored data in the form of thousands of files. An operating system provides a file system to organize these files. A file system is a mechanism used by an operating system to store and manage files and directories on a storage medium. The Unix file system was not available in other operating systems. The Unix file system has a hierarchical structures that enable you to store files in directories. Unix file system, user can decide a directory name and the files to be placed in directory. In each directory, the files contains related data can be stored. The administrator of the Linux operating system can store the home directories for all the users in the data directory. For example, the Tom directory is the home directory for data. The data can store all files in his home directory. Data or create directories in home directory. The directory data contain two files, one is for one.txt, another one is for two.txt. All the files are stored on the disk in a main directory, which is called as a root directory. The root directory is subdivided into other directories called data, thesis and tools. In file system hierarchy, a file is referred to by its path, which is consist of the file name preceded by the name of the directory is containing the file. For example, tom/data/one.txt. Tom is a root directory and data is the subdirectory and one.txt is the name of the text file. In a hierarchical inverted tree-like structure, the operating system provides faster access to the files because group of files are isolated from each other. To locate a file, the operating system needs to search only one directory. Next we have the file naming convention. In Linux, file names can be up to 250 characters long. It can contain special characters except for \. It can contain both uppercase and lowercase alphabets. File name is a case sensitive. It should not contain blank space or a tab. Next, types of files in Linux. Information is stored in files. Therefore, in addition to a user programs and data files, there are special files that contain information about directory, contents or various input and output devices is connected to the Linux operating system. So here we have the three types of files: ordinary files, directory files and special files. Ordinary files, all the files is created by the user or ordinary files. Ordinary files include all the data, program, object and executable files. User can modify ordinary files. Next we have directory files. When you create a directory in Linux, a directory file is automatically created by the operating system. A directory file can be same name as the directory contain information about the files stored in the directory. Third one is special files. Most of the system files in Linux are special files. The special files are usually associated with input or output devices. The special files are stored in standard Linux directories such as /dev or /ect. User can modify the special files. Linux support the following special types of files. First one is character device files, block device files and hard links, then symbolic links. First one is character device files. Character device files can read and write data one character at a time. Modem is an example of a character device files. Next one is block device files. A block device files can access one block of data at a time. A block of data comprises either 512 or 1024 bytes. The kernel writes minimum of one block of data at a time. Next we have hard links. Hard links are special files that allow a single file to have multiple names. You can specify hard link only for a file and not for a directory. These links are known as hard links because they create a direct link to an inode. Next we have the symbolic links. The symbolic link is also known as soft links. The symbolic links are similar to hard links, but you can specify symbolic links for file across the different file system. Thank you.